Welcome to this overview of PPMetrics offerings around modernizing legacy Kintana implementations for Oracle EBS deployment. Let me begin by quickly mentioning who we are and why we're in position to help you with Kintana. PPMetrics is an official Micro Focus partner established in 2009 by former Kintana and HP employees. We have worked with the deployment management module of current day PPM, or as it's better known as Kintana, for over 15 years. Many of today's Kintana installations were designed and configured over a decade ago. Since then, most of the implementations have not changed much, while the underlying technologies and target applications have significantly evolved. As a result, while Kintana remains a stable solution, it clearly needs a modern touch to keep up with today's performance, security, and compatibility standards. Many customers may not even realize there's a better way to do things. PPMetrics has decided to comprehensively address this need with offerings for optimization services and a new accelerator. With our services offering, we utilize our consulting experience and knowledge base to help customers simplify workflows, implement advanced configurations, including integrations to external systems, and for those undertaking R12 upgrades, provide support and best practices. Our second offering is an accelerator, which is aimed at speeding up and modernizing your solution, yet without any software or hardware or process changes. We accomplish this by reconfiguring all AL object types to use Oracle's FND load calls, thus removing the need for object writer completely. So let me go ahead and show an example of how our accelerator has taken the hard work out of converting EBS object types to use Oracle's FND load calls. Switch over to the workbench. So after confirming some basic credential information in PP environments, I can readily use the object types in a package. So in my sample package here, I have two sample AOL object types, one for AOL alerts and AOL functions that's already been submitted. So I'm going to go ahead and approve the very first step, this decision step. So it moves on to the execution step, which is next, that does the actual migration. So as PPM does the deployment, let me go back to the deck and quickly highlight the benefits of our accelerator and related offerings. From a cost perspective, removing the dependency on Object Migrator eliminates hardware and software costs. So for example, there's no longer a need for a Vision instance for hosting. Oracle has gone away from using Object Migrator and advocates using their FND load, add patch, and add op calls as the supported deployment standards, and this allows for migration of all AOL objects between versions, such as R11 and R12. These calls are not only faster, they're more secure since there's no dependency on database links. So let's go back and check on my package since we're talking about performance. And we can see the package has successfully migrated from dev to test already for my two AOL objects. So all it took was just a few seconds, and users can expect speed gains of up to 30% using our updated methods, meaning potentially less production downtime during large releases. So let me go ahead and open up the execution log for the very first line, which is the AOL alerts. So let's go ahead and scroll through our log. You can see here we're connecting to PVCS, run the get command. We scroll a little bit further down. You can see we're connecting to the run edition of the file system. We can optionally connect to the patch edition. Here is our FND load command. We're using the download version of that, and we're using all the parameters for our particular AOL object type. Scrolling further down again. Now we're on our target system. Connect to the run edition of the file system again. And we run our FND load command again, and this time we use the upload. So let's scroll further down. And you can see here that we have a successful transaction with no errors. We have KSES status 0, and we have succeeded throughout. As expected, everything else in the log performs in a standard Kintana manner. In summary, as veterans of the Kintana and ITG deployment solution, we've created a serious toolkit that includes our accelerator to help customers optimize the implementations. In addition, our consultants can draw on experience and our implementation framework to readily address any of your deployment-related needs. If you'd like to find out about more how we can help, please feel free to email info@ppmetrics.com, and be sure to visit us at our website, ppmetrics.com. Thank you.